Okay, welcome everyone to this grammar session. We all know that grammar is very important when we speak in English. Okay, so many people they say, "Sir, is grammar so important?" I tell, no, it's not important to speak because many people they don't know grammar, but they still can speak in English. But it is my personal experience. If you know grammar, you will be 100 times more powerful than a person who just speaks but doesn't know grammar. Okay, so grammar, I feel it is very much important and it will always help you to speak more effectively. And guys, today what we are going to discuss, the topic name is conditional sentences. Conditional sentences. Conditional sentences. And this conditional sentence has type, type 0, type 1, type 2, type 3. So today we'll talk about conditional sentences type 0. Please remember, we are starting from today itself. We are starting conditional sentence type 0. Try to understand, and if you have any question, you write it down somewhere. We will definitely discuss on that. Okay, so let's go ahead. To speak English impressively, we need conditional sentences. Yes, guys, there are many times I've seen, there are many times we use this condition sentences. I'll tell you, जैसे हम लोग कभी कभी बोलते हैं ना, sometimes we speak कि if this happens, then what happens? अगर ये होता तो क्या होता? अगर वो नहीं होता तो क्या नहीं होता? If this happens, then what will happen? So we use these type of conditional sentence in our in our daily conversation, and so many times I've seen people they do mistake. So if we know all the types, because only type 0 we are discussing today, so the more we know the types, the more effective we will be. Okay, so let's go ahead, guys, because it is very important when you really want to speak English impressively. This is gonna help you in your conversation. So type 0, in Hindi, if you know Hindi, in so many times we speak in Hindi, agar ye ho, to ye hota hai. In English, agar main normal English mein bolu, if I speak in normal English, if this happens, then this happens or that happens. So many times we use कि अगर ये हो तो ये होता है. Okay, so these are, what these are? These are basically true facts. These are the facts. These are the facts. If this happens or that happens. Okay, we'll take more example, you will understand. And those who don't know Hindi, at least I'm speaking in English also, so don't worry, you will get all these in English language also. Okay, although I have written in English only everything. Okay, suppose the sentence is same thing, the agar ye ho to ye hota hai. So this is what I have already told, and of course this is the true fact. Now please see here one very important thing. Agar ye ho, if this happens, so that is the condition. That is the condition. To ye hota hai, that is the result. That is the result. Okay, in English also it is written, if this happens, so that is condition, then this happens, so that is the result. So it's all about condition and result. Condition and results. Okay, so here we go with the first sentence and try to understand. We are starting from a basic level. इससे नीचे कुछ नहीं होता है, मतलब ये जो टॉपिक है, this is the start, type 0. Okay, so let's go ahead. The first sentence, अगर आप सच बोलते हो, हर कोई आपकी सराहना करता है. अगर आप सच बोलते हो, हर कोई आपकी सराहना करता है. Suppose if I come to you and ask you what will be the sentence, and please don't worry about making wrong sentence, right sentence, whatever you feel, you can speak. So let's ask Manmeet Kaur only. Yeah, Manmeet ji, tell me, what if you would have been there, what you could have spoken?
If you speak truth, Everyone appreciate you.
If you speak truth, everyone appreciates you. Okay.
Yes. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
absolutely right. You are absolutely right. So the sentence will be, so our condition is अगर आप सच बोलते हो, हर कोई आपकी सराहना करता है. That is the result. So the English will be, if you speak the truth. Okay, if you speak the truth, everyone appreciates you. If you speak the truth, everyone appreciates you. If you speak the truth, absolutely right. Very good, Manmeet ji.
Thank
Absolutely
you.
bang on. Very nice. Very nice. So again, this is a fact. This is a fact. Okay, so it all depends on the fact. Okay, so let's go ahead and select one person. Suman Shivas, you will be the next person. So Suman, I'm giving you a sentence. Your sentence
Yes, sir.
is, अगर आप पानी को 100 डिग्री के ऊपर गर्म करते हैं, ये उबलने लगता है.
If you boil water above 100 degree, then it is start boiling.
It is start. It again repeat it.
If you boil water above 100
100
then
degrees.
degrees, then it start boiling.
It starts boiling. Okay, fine. Okay, Ushashi, will you try?
If you boil water above 100 degrees, then it will start ubalne lagta hai, means boiling, right? Means
Yeah, absolutely. See,
it will be boiling.
try not to use boil word more than once. Okay, so let's ask Rakhi. Rakhi, do you have any other word for boiling here?
Sir, for ubalna we always use
Ubalna is boil. Ubalna is boil.
Yeah. Okay. If you boil water above 100 degree, then it will be boiling.
But we are using boil 2 times. Try to use. See, पानी
Um,
को गर्म करना और boil होना
Okay.
दोनों अलग चीज है.
Okay.
You are
Okay,
आप
sir.
गर्म कर रहे हो और आप boil कर रहे हो. Both are not same. Both are not
Okay.
same, Rakhi. Okay, let me see. Let me see. Tomali Chatterjee. Tomali Chatterjee, what would you say?
If you heat water above 100 degrees centigrade, then it will start to boil.
It will start to boil. Okay, so you are partially right, but you got that the condition sentence you spoke right. Somewhere the result sentence could have been better. So the sentence will be, if you heat water above 100 degrees, it boils.
Yeah.
It boils. उबलने
Yes.
लगता है. उबलने लगेगा नहीं. ये होने से ये होता है, ये होने से ये होता है. अगर ये होता है तो ये होता है. कोई फ्यूचर नहीं आएगा, होगा. नो फ्यूचर. वी आर नॉट गोइंग टू ऐड एनी फ्यूचर सेंटेंस हियर. All will be present sentence. So many times we use these type of sentences. Okay, so next I'll be asking to Rupesh ji. Rupesh ji, are you ready? Okay, Rupesh ji, I'm coming to your sentence, and your sentence is, so let's go ahead for the next sentence. आप अगर आप रोज 12 घंटे काम करते हैं, आप थक जाते हैं.
If you
Yes.
work more than 12 hours a day, you will get tired.
आप थक जाओगे नहीं बोला मैंने. I said आप थक जाते हो. आप थक जाते हो. It's not. I said no future. आप थक जाते हैं. Yes, Anita, you will try.
अगर आप रोज 12 घंटे काम करते हैं, if you work 12 hours a day, you get tired.
You get tired. Okay, absolutely right. Again, the condition and result says if you work 12 hours every day, you get tired. Absolutely. Absolutely right, dear. If you work 12 hours every day, you get tired. Try to understand how many verbs are coming in the sentence. You have to minutely observe the sentence because all the sentences are different as far as the meaning is concerned. But if you see the number of verbs, you will see there is some common part there. Okay, let's go for Nandita Das. Nandita Das, your sentence is coming on your screen right now.
Yes, sir.
अगर मैं ऑफिस पहुंचने में देर करती हूं तो मेरे बॉस मुझे सजा देते हैं.
If I reach to my office if I delay to reach office, then my boss will then my boss
सजा. What is the English of सजा? Punish.
then my boss give punish और punisher ये मुझे
अरे गिव
confuse कर-
पनिश क्यों बोल रहे हैं? सिर्फ पनिश से तो काम हो जाता है. आप गिव पनिश बोलने का क्या जरूरत है?
Okay,
If you say
then my
punish,
boss punished.
हाँ तो boss punishes because we are speaking in present. करते हैं.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, Ritu, can you repeat the sentence? Ritu Rana.
If I reach office late, my boss punishes me.
My boss punishes me. Absolutely right. I have mentioned in a different way, but all the sentences are almost same. If I am late to reach the office, if I am late to reach the office, ये आप change कर सकते हो ये sentence को. You can speak the same sentence in a different way, but you have to ensure there should be only one verb. If I am late to reach office, my boss punishes me. My boss punishes me. My boss punishes me. Okay, so let's go for Brotati Ghosh. Brotati Ghosh, I'm giving you one sentence for you. अगर आपके पास एक अच्छी नौकरी है, तब आप जीवन में सुखी होते हैं.
If you have a better job, then you happy.
You happy? You need one verb. You need one verb. Happy is not a verb here. Happy is not a verb.
You get happy.
You?
Then you get happy.
You get happy. Okay, fine. No, Nobonita, will you try?
If I have a good job, if I have a good job, then whole life.
सारी जिंदगी तो यहाँ पे लिखा नहीं है. यहाँ पे लिखा है कि जीवन में, in life. Whole life, in life.
Then in life, get happy.
Okay. But I need, suppose Tanushri, will you try this?
If you have a good job, then your life should be your life will be happy.
Okay, I told you all the verb that you will use here will be in present. No future verb sit here.
Your life is happy.
Okay, fine. Yes, ask. Yes, Bindu Suku. Your voice is not reaching me, Bindu.
If if you have a good job, then you feel comfortable in your life.
You feel comfortable in your life. Okay, fine. Suman Soni. Yes, Suman, unmute yourself. Okay. I think we lost. Okay, fine. So we can see this sentence. अगर आपके पास एक अच्छी नौकरी है तो आप जीवन में सुखी होते हैं. If you have a good job, you become happy in life. Make it very easy sentence. You become happy in life. So become is the only verb here. The become is the only verb here. अगर आप first sentence में देखो, if you have a good job, again in the first sentence also you have a one verb. Okay, so let's go ahead and try to know more about it, that why we are not able to make it, because we need certain formula, you know. We need a formula. Please look at the sentence. If you want, you can write down the sentence also. If you eat more, you become overweight. Please look at the conditional sentence and the result sentence. First, we are starting with if. Then we are starting with one condition sentence, and then we are going for the result sentence. So what is happening? The formula is you can use if or when. You can start the sentence with if or when. Both are right. If you start with when also, it is right. If you start with if also, it is right. After that, the sentence that you will use, that should be present simple sentence or present indefinite sentence. That should be present, simple present sentence. If you have not done tense, then I must tell you, simple sentence will always have one verb. सिर्फ एक ही verb होता है present simple में या present indefinite में. There is only one verb. You eat more. You go to market. You eat mango. Always one verb. One verb. And the result sentence will also be the same. It will also be present simple and or present indefinite. So both the sentence that you are going to write, condition sentence and result sentence, both the sentences will be simple present sentence with one verb. So quite no tension should be there. It should be very clear and very easy. I want everyone, please make one sentence. I'll ask you one sentence. You can think about any sentence. Make a sentence, and once you are ready, you raise your hand. I'll come to you and I'll listen your sentence. You can make any sentence of your own choice. Or yes, if you want, you can write in the chat box. I will read it for you. I think that will be better. Or if you want, you can speak also, no problem. Anybody wants to speak, you can raise your hand. If anybody is ready, then I can talk to you. Yes, I can see Manisha Kasid. Manisha, tell me any sentence.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Yeah. If all gets vaccine on time, then third wave stops to come.
Okay, good, very good. All okay, very good, very nice, very nice.
Thank you,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Let's go ahead for the next person. Yes, Momita.
If you do exercise daily, you keep fit.
Again, repeat.
If you do exercise daily, you keep fit.
Very nice, very nice. So both the sentences are in present simple sentence. Absolutely. Let's go to Neelam Agarwal.
If we go outside from home during this COVID time, then we suffer from, maybe we suffer from COVID.
यहाँ पे कोई maybe नहीं आएगा मैडम. यहाँ पे
then we suffer from.
We
Sir, then-
we suffer
Okay.
from COVID, or we take risk. Okay, let's go to Nandita Das. Nandita, what sentence you have?
If you work hard, you got success.
You get success.
Yes, get success. Sorry,
You get success. Yes, very good. Chitra Dugar.
If it rains today, I prepare pakoda.
फिर से बोलिए.
If it rains today, I prepare pakoda.
See, you are trying to make the good sentence, but normally this sentence we speak when we talk about some facts.
Yes.
Facts, because what you are talking, it may not be the fact.
Yeah.
It is not a fact. Okay, so when you speak, it should be a fact. So आपने जैसे ही वो today बोल दिया ना, वो fact
Yes.
नहीं रहा. The
Okay.
time you said today, then it is not a fact. Okay, so today is not the right. Okay, if you work hard, you get success. Yes, this is the fact. If you lie, no one likes you. Very good, Rupesh. This is a fact. If you work
So, sir,
hard,
how we will write this sentence?
see, that's what says. If you do this, or if she does this, this happens.
Okay.
जैसे आप ये बोल सकते हो, सेम आपका सेम सेंटेंस, you know, when it rains, we feel like having pakoda.
Yeah.
You can say this sentence, you know, when it rains, we feel like. So यहाँ पे हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, जनरल दे रहे हैं कि हमें ऐसा लगता है. ऐसा नहीं कि आज लगेगा या आज लग रहा है. We have to make it very general statement. ऐसा होने से ऐसा होता है.
Okay.
Okay, yes, we'll go for Ritu Sinha. Ritu Sinha, you have any sentence with you?
If you pray to God daily, you get inner happiness.
Very good, wonderful, very nice. Yes, Anita.
If we don't water the plant, it dies.
Okay, if we don't water the plant, it dies. Okay, so इसको आप positively भी बोल सकते हो. If we water the
How?
plant,
Okay.
yeah,
It grows.
it grows. Yes, it grows. Yeah, but both are right.
Sir,
Both are right. Both are right.
Sir, if I want to, if I want to, don't mention we. So how to make sentence? Like
नहीं,
in the passive.
नहीं, पैसिव वैसिव यहाँ पे नहीं आएगा. यहाँ पे
जैसे
सिंपल आपको.
if we don't water the plant, जैसे हम लोग पानी नहीं देते हैं तो.
अच्छा,
अगर
तो आप
water को
इसको,
पानी,
हाँ, if plants
अगर
are not
अगर-
watered, if plants are not watered, if plants are not watered, इसको आप पैसिव, मतलब if plants are not watered, तो वो पैसिव हो जाता है सेंटेंस. आप पैसिव कर सकते हो, बट अभी हम लोग उसको इतना कॉम्प्लेक्स नहीं करेंगे मैडम, ठीक है, बिकॉज देयर आर मेनी पीपल दे हैव नॉट स्टार्टेड पैसिव सेंटेंस. तभी हम लोग नॉर्मली चलते हैं, बट यस, यू कैन डू दैट. इफ यू वांट, यू कैन डू दैट. Yes, Sudha, you want to say something?
If I cook well food, then my husband doesn't go outside.
हाँ, फिर उसको आप ट्राई करो, उसको पॉजिटिवली बोलने का. If I make delicious food, my husband loves to have food at home.
That's great.
You know, you can say like this also. Yes, we'll Manmeet Kaur, you want to say something?
If you want speak in English, you attend IDQ.
Ay, shabash. if you want to.
If you want to speak English,
Yeah,
in English.
fine,
If
yeah.
you want to speak in English.
Yeah, absolutely. Yes, Ragini, you want to speak? Yeah, Ragini, unmute yourself.
Yeah. If you do yoga, you become fit.
You become fit. Very nice sentence. So very nice sentence. Okay, let's go ahead, because I have a small assessment for you also. But before that, I'll give you some of the more example. You know, you can see, if you want, you can write, when you become a first speaker, you get noticed. when you become a first speaker, you get noticed. So yes, you can say if or when, then present simple sentence, and then present simple or present indefinite. So the formula is very simple. This type 0 is very simple sentence. अगर ऐसा होता है, then ऐसा होता है. Simple. ये present में, never forget, type 0 means present. Always it will be present. If you write your topic, you speak better. If you write your topic, you speak better. Very easy sentence. Don't make, if you make negative sentence, then again you have to put do not or does not. Better if you write the same sentence in a positive way. Okay, let's see the next sentence. Okay, so yes, okay, fine. Okay, guys, now let's go for a wonderful, easy test for you. Okay, so this test it's a small quiz. There will be 10 marks and it is a type 0. Okay, so ensure it should be type 0 only, not any other types. Whatever we have learned, it will be based on this. And yes, you have to answer yourself. Don't write in the chat box. You will write in your copy the answer. After this assessment, I will discuss with you the answers. And you can self-assess yourself that out of 10, how many you have done right. Don't discuss, don't write. It is your assessment. So please do it with honesty, and please, you have to self-assess also. Okay, so let's go ahead. Type 0. Don't go beyond type 0. Okay. Okay, let's go for the first question on your screen. The first question is, if you planted trees, you get fresh air. Is this sentence right or wrong? If you feel it is right, then you write the answer will be right only. If you feel this sentence is wrong according to type 0, then you write wrong. Nobody is going to write in the chat box, please. आपको अगर लग रहा है ये सेंटेंस सही है तो आपका आंसर होगा राइट. इफ यू फील दिस आंसर इज रॉन्ग, प्लीज राइट रॉन्ग. Okay, I think you have already made the answer. Let's go ahead for the next sentence. When you smoke cigarette, you could affect your lungs. When you smoke cigarette, you could affect your lungs. So as per type 0, this sentence is right or wrong? As per type 0 conditional sentences, this sentence is right or wrong? See, I'm not telling grammatically right hai ki nahi. I'm talking about as per type 0, this sentence is right or wrong. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Fill the blank with a correct form of verb. Okay, guys, there are two verbs given, feeling and doing. So I will give you a blank, fill in the blanks. The verb has been already given. You have to write the correct form of the same verb in a given blank. Okay, so the sentence is, when you dash meditation, you dash peace. You can write this, fill in the blanks. The whole sentence is very small, so you can, if you feel like, you can write down the full sentence. As per type 0, your answer should be, okay, so when you dash meditation, you have two blanks, you have two verbs, feeling and doing. So you have to select the right form of the verb. Okay, मैंने यहाँ पे right form नहीं दिया है, आपको उसका correct form देना है blank में. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Fill in the blanks with correct form of verb. Befriended is one of the verb and became is one of the verb, and the sentence is, if you dash strangers, you dash more smart. I want you to write the whole sentence when you are writing. When, sorry, if you dash strangers, you have to write the correct form of the verb. The verbs are already given: befriended and became, sorry. You dash more smart. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Fill in the blanks with the correct form of verb. Read and communicate. Read and communicate. When you dash body language, you dash more effectively. Okay, when you dash body language, you dash more effectively. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. If you breathe deeply during meditation, you feel less anxious. Is this sentence right or wrong? You just have to mention the right answer. If you breathe deeply during meditation, you feel less anxious. आपको कम टेंशन होगा. Is this sentence grammatically right or not? Okay, fine. Let's go for the next sentence. The next sentence is, when you bathe every day, you boost the immune system. When you bathe every day, you boost the immune system. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. Already we have done 7. So we are left with only 3. Yeah, this is important. There are 2 verbs, succeed and speaks. The sentence is, if anyone dash good English, he or she dash faster. If anyone dash good English, he or she dash faster. Okay, let's go for the next, number 9. Number 9 sentence is, smile and attract. These are the 2 verbs, smile and attract. If anyone for dash for no damn reason, he or she dash more happiness. Okay, so we are only left with only last question. Okay, so here we have our last question. Okay, let's see the sentence now. When you eavesdrops others, others start disliking you. Is this sentence right or wrong? When you eavesdrops others, others start disliking you. So those who don't know the meaning of eavesdrop meaning when you listen somebody's conversation secretly. When you listen somebody's talk secretly, that is called eavesdrops. जब आप किसी की बात छुप छुप कर सुनते हो उसे ही हम लोग eavesdrop बोलते हैं. Okay, so we are done with the assessment, the easiest assessment. I think you should be getting 10 out of 10 if I'm not wrong. Okay, so one by one, I'll come to you and discuss your answer, what answers you have done. Okay, so let's see. As per type 0, the first question, I'll come to Usha. Okay, not Usha. I'll go to yes. Okay, Ekta Sharma. Ekta Sharma, what was the first answer you have given?
Right, sir.
The sentence was right.
Yes,
What was
sir.
the sentence? What was the sentence?
If you planted trees, you get fresh air.
Okay, so you feel this sentence is right.
Right. Yes, sir.
Okay, let's go to okay, just a minute. Shilpa. Shilpa, can you tell me, is this sentence right or wrong? Please unmute yourself. Unmute yourself.
Wrong sentence, sir.
Wrong sentence. Why?
The past tense is coming in the, what is the?
In the sentence.
In the sentence.
Okay, absolutely right. The sentence was if you planted trees. So it is planted. I told you the sentence will have one verb that should be present. So planted is the wrong answer. It should be plant. If you plant, I told you it will be present verb. It will be present verb. If you plant trees, you get fresh air. Okay, no problem. At least we should learn from the mistakes that we are doing. That will be more important. Okay, so absolutely, now it is absolutely correct. If you plant trees, you get fresh air. Now let's go for the next sentence. We will go to the next speaker, Sujata. Sujata, number 2, can you tell me?
When you smoke cigarette, you could affect your lungs, right, sir?
So the sentence which I showed you, that is right or wrong?
Right, sir.
That is right. That is right. Okay, I'll ask one more person. Okay, Jitendra Kumar.
Yes, sir. It is a wrong sentence. When you smoke cigarette, you can affect your lungs.
You can affect your lung.
Yes, sir.
Okay, 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 okay. Nilanjana Guho.
Yes, sir. When you smoke cigarette, you get your lungs affected.
You get your lungs affected. So इतना बड़ा sentence तो मैंने दिया नहीं. Okay, just a minute. I'm see, only change the verb where it is wrong. Don't change the whole sentence. Rajni Sharma, you want to say something here?
Yes, sir.
Tell me.
When you smoke cigarette, you affect your lungs.
When you smoke cigarette, you could affect your lungs. It is a right sentence.
No,
it's a wrong
sir. It's
sentence.
a wrong something. It's a wrong.
Yes, it is a wrong
you
because
affect, yes.
Because type 0. In type 0, there should be only one verb in each sentence.
Yes.
You cannot use could or can.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, so right sentence will be when you smoke cigarette, you affect your lungs.
Affect your lungs. Yes.
Yes, absolutely right. This is the correct sentence. When you smoke cigarette, you affect your lungs. See, I told you type 0. You cannot go against type 0. Okay, I'm not telling your sentence is wrong. I'm telling you your sentence is wrong according to type 0 that we are learning. Okay, let's go for number 3, Niti Kumari. Yeah, Niti Kumari, what's the sentence?
When you do meditation, you feel peace.
So, acha, you are right. You are telling the right answer only.
Yes, sir.
Again, repeat.
When you do meditation, you feel peace.
Peace. Yes.
So you feel peace. Absolutely right. Very nice, Niti. Absolutely correct answer. Absolutely correct. Okay, let's go to Mowa Kundu. Mowa Kundu, be ready for the next sentence. Mowa Kundu, your sentence is coming on your screen. If you dash strangers, you dash more smart.
If you befriend stranger, you become more smart.
Okay, what was the first verb you said?
Befriend.
Befriend. Absolutely right. If you befriend strangers, you become more smart. If you befriend strangers, you become more smart. Absolutely right. Absolutely right. Okay, now the next is when you dash body language, you dash more effectively. Now I'll go to just a minute. Let me go to Chandana Reddy. Chandana Reddy, can you tell me the right answer?
When you read body language, you communicate more effectively.
Absolutely right. When you read body language, you communicate more effectively. See why we are doing it, because I'm telling you, this is the way we do type 0 conditional sentence. Both the sentence will have same present simple sentence. Absolutely right. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. If you breathe deeply during meditation, you feel less anxious. I need to ask Khushbu. Khushbu, is it a right sentence?
Yes, sir.
It is a right sentence, right?
Yes, sir. Simple presentation.
Okay, fine. Geeta Bakshi, is it a right sentence?
If you breathe deeply.
Yes, sir.
Okay, it is a right sentence according to Geeta Bakshi also. Poonam Shukla, is it a right sentence?
Sir, right.
Okay, very good, very good. It is a right sentence. Momita Deshorkar.
Breathe spelling is wrong.
What is the
B-R-E-A-T-H-E.
Okay, so it is a breath is written here. It is not a verb which is written here. Absolutely right. Momita has got the issue very well. If you breath, I didn't ask for breath, I asked for breathe.
Okay.
You have to watch the sentence. It was not verb. If you breathe deeply during meditation, you feel less anxious.
Sir, I didn't think spelling में भी जाना है.
नहीं मतलब आप बोल रहे हो कि हम स्पेलिंग गलत करेंगे, कंडीशनल सही है. सेंट अरे भाई आप वर्ब के जगह नाउन लगा रहे हो. सी मैं यहाँ पे ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड, इट इज नॉट द मैटर ऑफ स्पेलिंग एरर, दिस इज द मैटर ऑफ नाउन एंड वर्ब. दिस इज नॉट द मैटर ऑफ कि स्पेलिंग एरर हो गया, उसके लिए मैं माइंड नहीं करता. स्पेलिंग एरर से एक वर्ब नाउन हो गया, दैट इज नॉट एक्सेप्टेड. ठीक है, दैट इज इम्पोर्टेंट टू बी सीन हियर. ओके फाइन. सो दूसरे को मार्क्स देते रहिएगा आप लोग. Let's go for the next sentence. Next sentence is when you bathe every day, you boost the immune. Okay, so let ask me more. Ratna Bhattacharya. Ratna Bhattacharya.
When you bath every day,
When you bathe every day, you boost the immune system. It is wrong sentence, sir.
Okay, so what will be the right sentence?
When you bath every day, you boost the immune system.
Okay, so you want to say BATH will be the right answer.
Yes, sir.
Okay. That's a wonderful lookout. Okay, let's ask Suman Shivas. Suman Shivas, is this sentence right?
Yes, sir, it is right.
Okay, Suman is saying it. This sentence is right. Okay, let's ask Shikha. Shikha, do you think this sentence is right?
I think, sir, when you bath every day, you boost the immune system. BATH.
Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, Vibha will speak.
Bath every day, you boost the immune system.
Okay, when you bath every day, so it will be a bath. Okay, So और बहुत लोग हाथ उठा रहे. अच्छा, हेमलता. I didn't go to Hemlata. Yes, Hemlata, tell me.
Sir, it is a right sentence.
It is a right sentence. So it is a bathe.
Yes,
If you
sir.
say it is a bathe. Okay, Khushbu, you want to say something?
So when you bath every day, you boost the immunity system.
Okay, so bathe and bath, there are two different sentences. Guys, this sentence is 100% right. It is bathe. Bathe is the verb. Bath is not the verb. Bath to ho gaya bhai noun. Bathe is the verb. B-A-T-H-E. Bathe is the verb. If you bathe every day, you boost the immune system. This sentence is absolutely right sentence. अच्छा, एक चीज मैं बता दूं, जब आप लोग क्वेश्चन लिख रहे थे वहां पे बूस्ट में एक एस था. वो एस नहीं होगा. हाँ, that s was wrongly put. Okay, so that s will not be there. S नहीं होगा sentence में. So wonderful, very nice observation by so many people. That's wonderful. So it is a bathe, guys. Never say bath. When you bathe, bathe is the verb. Okay, let's go for the next sentence. If anyone dash good English, he or she dash faster. I'll go to okay, somebody whom I have not asked till now. I think mostly I have asked. Just a minute.
He and she success.
Okay, Manisha Desai. Manisha Desai, can you tell me the right answer?
If anyone speaks good English, he or she succeeds faster.
Absolutely right. If anyone speaks good English, he or she succeeds. Succeeds is a verb here. Succeeds faster. Absolutely right. Very good. Please mute everyone. Okay, that's wonderful. Okay, we are having only two sentences left. If anyone dash for no damn reason, he or she dash more happiness. Okay, so let's go for the person we have here. Yeah, Gopa Ghosh, will you try?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, what will be the answer?
If anyone smile for no damn reason, he or she attracted more happiness.
Attracted.
Attract. A-T-T-R-A-C-T.
A-R-A-T-T-R-A-C-T. Okay, okay, okay. Prashanti, will you speak?
Yes, sir. If anyone smiles for no damn reason, he or she attracts more happiness.
Okay, yes, absolutely. It will be present to verb form smiles.
Okay, sir.
If anyone smiles for no damn reason, he or she attracts more happiness. More happiness. Okay, so we are left with only one sentence. Okay, let's go to Swarnalata. Swarnalata, please unmute yourself. Your sentence is this: when you eavesdrop others, others start disliking you. Is this sentence right or not?
It is right if we remove yes. When you eavesdrop others, others start disliking you.
Okay, so you feel that eavesdrops is a wrong sentence. Okay.
We should remove yes.
Okay, fine. Let me see without remove. Okay. Yeah, Nobonita, what do you think? This sentence is right or not?
Sir, it's a wrong sentence.
Where is the problem?
Sir, eavesdrops and others.
Eavesdrops. What is the problem in eavesdrop?
Drops. Eavesdrop.
Achha, that S will not be there. Okay, and what is the problem in others? I'm not getting your voice. Okay, fine. Let's go to Preeti. Preeti, tell me.
Right, sir.
It's a right sentence? Okay. Okay, fine. So this is the right sentence. Is there anyone? Okay, Sampurna, can you tell me this sentence is right or not?
Sir, it is wrong sentence.
What will be the right sentence?
Sir, I have written only answer, sir.
Yeah.
Sentence. I have no sentence. That time I identify at my answer was wrong. What is the sentence, sir, please?
Sentence is being shown in the on your screen only. It is there on your screen. Ushashi, what is your answer?
When you eavesdrop others, others start disliking you. Means
So there's
only
only the-
eavesdrop.
Okay. Absolutely right. It is a wrong sentence. Only the problem is the eavesdrops. Okay, it should be eavesdrop others. Eavesdrops others. Okay, eavesdrop others. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. So now it is a correct sentence. So today we have done conditional type 0, and next Tuesday, this is Tuesday class. So next Tuesday, I really want you all to be here to learn more about the type 1. Okay, so any questions if you have, then you can ask.